Hi everyone, my name is Frederick. I just want to quickly cover how to get started in the dataviz community. One of the key attributes of someone working in data is to practice your dataviz or data visualization or finding insight skills. So there's a few ways you can do that, but I just want to cover a few key elements. One of them is to create a Tableau Public profile, use social media, and also participate in a large number of dataviz community activities. Some of them are weekly, some of them are monthly, but basically get some practice and get some feedback from the community. I've actually written a blog post on that exact topic. So I'm going to share the link in the YouTube clip. But basically, there's quite a few steps, but it makes sense when you start. As I said, the first one is to use Tableau Public, use social media. There's a number um, of community exercise like Makeover Monday you could do every week to get your practice up, attend events, and there's also a number of data sets online available. So the very first concept I want to show you is Tableau Public. So Tableau Public is a free platform. So I've just googled Tableau Public. That's the link there. So the very first step, you need to basically sign up and put your name, email, password. When you do that, I've got an account already, so I'm going to show you my public profile. You can have your photo, a bit of description. Each time you publish something on Tableau Public, it creates a little thumbnail with all the various links there. And for example, for that dataviz I've created this week, uh, it gives a unique URL at the top there that you can use to share by email or on social media. So that's one way. Tableau Public is a very good platform to showcase your dataviz work. Twitter is also a very good platform for the purpose of building your profile, building your network, and getting feedback from the data community. Um, so you can use different hashtags on Twitter. That all those things are in a blog as well. Makeover Monday is one. When you click on Makeover Monday, you'll be seeing Andy and Eva are the people leading the Makeover Monday activities, which I'm going to talk to you in a minute. Uh, there's various number of hashtags people use in the DAG community. There's also a large number of Twitter lists, data vision lists, for example. Same thing, all those are shared on my blog. I would just urge you to follow those people and get some inspiration and get to meet those people. As I said, one of the key aspects of data visualization is to practicing and learning. Makeover Monday is a free data viz activity every week. So that's the website there. So the link will be on the YouTube description. If you go to the data sets, and I've actually developed a separate video, so I won't spend too much time. But basically, every week there's a data posted on various different topics, and the concept is very simple. Every week, every Monday, you click on the link, you go and download the data, and then the concept is quite simple. The brief is to improve the original dataviz. So this one was created by, I'm not sure, some other blogs, some other companies. Um, and you use the data, which is available at the bottom there. Use Tableau, or you could use any other tools. And then your job is to try to come up with insights and make that chart a bit better. Uh, if you follow the process with Makeover Monday, there's also a submission tracker where you can submit your work. So every week you can submit your dataviz, and you can also get into the submission tracker where those people track who's been working on every week. There's also a feedback mechanism on Twitter. So when you have a bit of a read there, but basically every week the participants are invited to ask for feedback, and really by asking for feedback, people would give you feedback, and that's one of the ways you can learn. Um, on my blog also, I've listed a number of other dataviz activities. All those are free. They're all led by volunteers. So, for example, if you like sports data, there's a sport There's a sport challenge called Sport with Sunday. If you're into health data, there's a project health piece data. There's SDG data. There's lots of activities. There's even people that, like myself, I'm part of This for Social Good. So we work with charities and we use the charities data to come up with insights for free. So we donate our dataviz skill for the social good, which I think is quite good. Going back to the blog, so as I said, the last thing to get involved in the community is attend events. So in the data community, we attend what's called Tableau user group. So every cities in the world usually have a Tableau user group. So on the blog there, I've just clicked on the main Tableau user group website, and on that website you can search for your own city. So for example, I'm just typing Brisbane. And you go on the Brisbane website and you can basically attend all those events. So when we have an event schedule, it shows up there and you can basically attend. So all those events are currently virtual on Zoom, but we go back to normal meeting at some stage. So in summary, to get active in the community, as I said, use Tableau Public, which is an amazing platform to showcase your work. Use social media, Twitter and LinkedIn also is quite active, using social media hashtags. Like all those hashtags you have listed there are useful. So you can build your own profile, you can make new friends and build your network. Join an activity, for example, make a one day and attend an event. I hope that video was useful. Thank you very much.